May pakialam ang mama at papa ko. Hindi ko pinaparehas yung naranasan ko sa inyo because I know the feeling.
Sana sinampalin mo lang siya kung yung bata ka pa.
Because it's not the reason, hindi valid yung reason na they are not caring, that's why I should disrespect them. No, even though they are not doing, there's still respect and love. What I do sa akin, but God never fails me. Na, hindi nagkulang si Lord sa akin. Still God guides me and love me and protect me from my parents. Okay? So maging grateful lang lalo kayo kasi you have a parent like me. You have a mommy like me. Kahit na yung mama at papa ko hindi naging responsible sa akin. But I'm still thankful because of them, I became who I am today. Okay? Alright. So that's why, whatever the circumstances we have to be thankful and grateful always to God. That's our duty to love God. Okay? Do you understand me?
Yes, me.
Yes po?
Opo.
And Kyle?
Yes, me.
Saan ang greetings ko pala? Wala na akong greetings. Wala nang I love you mom, good morning mom, you're my love, my everything. Saan yun? Ha? Ha? Wala? Saan ako? Wait lang, tatalikod lang ako pa. Dami naman yung coconut. Do you have water? Babe, sige. Kulang pa nga yung oras. Sana yung wala. chicken sa'yo, Carl?
Kayo po yan.
Kaya ganun. Nagagana yung kain ko pagkasama ko kayo. Na, kayo, ano rin kayo sa kain mo? May na-disgrasya siguro sa barrier.